Have you ever experienced a painful swollen leg or hand after something cut you or pricked you and you left it unattended before? I will explain this medical condition for you to understand it in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Osukojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. One thing you need to know is that your skin is the first protective layer of your body. It acts like a defense mechanism, and once there's a cut or wound on your skin, it causes a break in this defense mechanism, and that introduces microorganisms for your external environment into your body, and that brings about an infection which triggers an inflammation of your skin and the subcutaneous tissue. This leads to a medical condition we call cellulitis. There are certain signs and symptoms that you will notice pointing that you might be having this form of cellulitis: redness of your skin, swelling, pain at the site, sometimes differential warmth, and even pus coming from the sides. First of all, there needs to be a focus of infection like a cut or a wound on your skin. If this form of cellulitis is left unattended, it can lead to a lot of complications. Now, one thing you need to know is that because there's introduction of infection or microorganisms into your body, it can trigger something we call sepsis. And sepsis is your body's abnormal response to a focused infection. Now, one thing you need to have it in mind that when foreign microorganisms enter your body, it triggers your body's immune system to attack these foreign structures inside your blood, because they shouldn't be there, and that leads to abnormal response of your body towards this infection, and it triggers sepsis. Now, sepsis in this severe form can attack certain crucial organs in your human body. You understand? So only a small cut which you left unattended can lead to some organs being failing, because it can attack even your kidneys, your brain, your heart. There are certain crucial organs that sepsis can attack. So how is cellulitis being managed? Now, one thing you need to know is that we have those that are mild and others that are severe. If it is not severe, most of the time you attend to you by OPD basis, then we give you some oral antibiotics which will help manage the infection for you. But if it is severe, you need to be admitted, given IV medications in order to bring down the infection. You need to have it in mind that when you experience a cut or a wound on your skin, you shouldn't leave it unattended. I'm giving my viewers the opportunity to recommend some topics that they would want me to make a video on. So if you actually want me to make a video on a specific topic, drop your comment in the comment section, and I will make sure that I make a video on such a topic for you. So this is what I would want you to know in today's video. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.